Want an easier way to customize and optimize your Windows PC? In this guide I'll show you exactly how to install Wintoys in just a few minutes. We'll also launch it for the first time so you know everything is working correctly. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. If it's pinned to your taskbar, simply click it. Otherwise, open the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and select it from the search results. Once the store opens, click the search bar near the top and type Wintoys. Then select the official app from the search results. Double-check that you're opening the correct listing before installing. Now click the Install button. If you've already downloaded it before, you might see a different button like Open or Install again instead. Just wait while Windows downloads and installs the application. The time depends on your internet connection, but it usually only takes a moment. After the installation finishes, click Open. You can also find Wintoys anytime by opening the Start menu and searching for its name. On the first launch, Windows may take a few seconds to load everything, so just give it a moment. When Wintoys opens, you'll see its main dashboard with different categories for managing Windows settings, installed apps, startup programs, privacy options, and other system tools. Take a minute to look around before changing anything, especially if you're new to Windows optimization. And that's it. You've successfully installed Wintoys, and you're ready to start exploring its features. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out the rest of our Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.